Hey everybody, welcome Spaced Out viewers, welcome Earthed Out viewers. If you're viewing from Bermuda, leave us a comment, let us know. We'll be talking about whether or not that hurricane's going to strike Bermuda. Is it going to strike Bermuda? I can't tell you at the moment. I've got to vanish first and show you what's going on with surface winds on the east side. Shout out to all of our viewers from the east side. We do have some systems here off the coast of the Philippines. And some strong winds surrounding Australia and New Zealand here as well. Jet streams of the east. There you have those. Some extreme jet stream flowing around here. Powerful anticyclone here in northwestern Australia. Check out the counterclockwise rotation there. Massive jet stream scale anticyclone there over northwestern Australia. Here are the jet streams of the western world. And we're seeing some cold air get infused into the North Atlantic here. Check it out, this 90-degree bend blowing North Atlantic air into the Central Atlantic. Also a massive anticyclone here right over the Great Salt Lake. Check out that clockwise rotation there. A jet stream scale anticyclone over the western U.S. Here are surface winds of the western portion of the planet. And we zoom in. This is a pretty significant hurricane here. Certainly showing hurricane force winds. There's a spot with 81 miles per hour. Will it strike Bermuda or not? We'll get to it. But first, we've got some power outages across Michiana. Michiana. I never heard of it. Michiana. Anyway, major power outages here. Check out poweroutage.us. And let me just check the life of the stream here to make sure that everything is kosher here at the SMAsh News Network, least busted name in news. And everything looks just fine. So Louisiana now down to about 1/3 out of power. And over 125,000 out of power currently, according to poweroutage.us in Michigan. We hope things return to normal soon. Even in California, where we doubt things will return to normal. Is there a normal in California? What a disaster that state is. So here's your weather.gov map, and we've got some, what is up with that? We've got some mysterious warnings here that don't even show up on the key. I'm going to press refresh. Flash flood watches here in eastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and southern New York. Anyway, if your county's lit up, head to weather.gov, click on your county. Here's your lightning mapper. We've got some significant lightning here across the U.S. Let's take a look at the real-time lightning map. And we'll zoom in. By the way, this is lightningmaps.org. It's where I go when I hear thunder. And what do we got? Hey, Charlotte. There's thunder rolling in. Maybe not. Hey, Spartansburg. Pretty significant thunder cell there, just northeast of Spartanburg. Also an active cell here northeast of Dallas. Just east of the Chickasaw Nation. Anyway, there's your real-time lightning map. Let's move on to look at pressure. So here's the European forecast, and we're going to advance this till tomorrow. This is where the European forecast has pressure cells tomorrow at 1 p.m. That's 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and let's zoom in on Bermuda here. So it looks like the majority of this storm in both the GFS model and the Euro model is going to miss Bermuda to the east, and for that, we thank you. So there's the current European storm track. No major landfall at Bermuda. Cheers. Shout out to our Bermudan viewers. Let us know if you're able to see the content on Bermuda. So here's the total accumulated precip forecast. Total accumulated precipitation through Friday, September 10th. And you can see no major rainfall here, just a half an inch of rain forecasted for Bermuda there. Looks like a hurricane miss at Bermuda. By the way, if you don't follow us on Twitch, you may miss streams like this one. We caught the coronal mass ejection that occurred yesterday, and if you don't watch our daily space weather videos, check them out. YouTube.com/smAsho is the spot for space weather videos. We've got the most spectacular imagery on the internet, and also the most amazing forecasting you'll ever see. Or at least that you've currently seen. As our forecasting may get better. But yeah, we streamed for about 20 hours yesterday on Twitch, and we caught this coronal mass ejection on the GOES 16. Spectacular imagery there of that in progress. Twitch.tv/smAsho for the ultimate screensavers. Thanks to our BitChute followers, subscribers. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. If you're only viewing on BitChute, you're missing like 80-90% of the content. And we've only been putting up meteorology segments. If you want to see the space weather videos, youtube.com/smAsho. Thanks to our subscribers over here. If you're new to the channel, please press subscribe and tell your friends and foes about us. Press share on social media. We wouldn't want Mark Zuckerberg to not know where the location of the SMASH team is. It's at smashomash.com/SMASH team. And by the way, shout out to SMASH staff. You're doing a fine job. This is a spectacular website, and it's only getting better. smashomash.com. You can link to the SMASH team there. smashomash.com/SMASH team. Thanks to our new members, our paid-up annual subscriptions, and the rest. Here's a teaser as to what we've been posting. You'll get all kinds of material nobody else gets to see on the internet at smashomash.com/SMASH team. Yes, there's a distillation service and all kinds of other stuff going on over there. It is just spectacular. Also, thanks to our patrons. Our patrons have been traditionally the main source of funding for the content. We are transitioning out of Patreon, so please become a SMASH team member. You can find links at smashomash.com to our social media and so on. Just click that link to get the real deal. Also, don't forget to check our merch link. You can save 20% through September 9th by entering the promo code SHOPTEMBER. Yes, SHOPTEMBER is making a SMASHtember to remember. Today's featured product is featured on my head right now. It's the Mensa hat. So we invite all of you to make Earth not suck again. Maybe pick up a Mensa hat here at the SMASH News Network. We're doing our best to make Earth not suck again. We expect you to do the same. We expect you to Mensa, make Earth not suck again, because it's up to you, not giant, ineffective bureaucracies who have trouble getting out of their own way. Let's close things out with some more data here. Here's your basic water vapor map. There's a long line of moisture all the way from Lake Ontario down to central Texas. How about a radar map? Here's radar.weather.gov, radar.weather.gov. And some heavy rains in Washington there also. Powerful looking low pressure system there. Most of the moisture still off the coast there, off the coast of Seattle. Here is me refreshing stuff. So we'll just put back the radar here for a moment while that loads. And now we'll show the NASA GOES shortwave radiation map to show clouds. It's too dark to see them. And you can see that hurricane there, Hurricane Larry, moving into the frame there on the lower right. Here's the cloud layer. And the water vapor map will give you the best insight into how these systems are moving. Here's your recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. There is the cloud layer. This is the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite 3.9 nanometers shortwave radiation map. It shows you things like cloud and fog at nighttime when the visible is unable to, quote, see, end quote, clouds and fog. And here's the water vapor map. And these systems are going to move in a fairly consistent pattern. This is the best way to view it. And thanks for viewing it. And when I say it, I mean the video. Again, don't forget to tell your friends and foes about our channel. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.